Good, thank you.
Yeah, we already did trees today.
We already did trees today. Yeah, kind of cool if you're scared to go on the other stuff.
Yeah. Kind of a confusing layout.
It is, but not bad. They're trying. Once it gets pounded in. All right, now where do we go?
I think this one.
Must be that one.
I'd just get in line right there.
You're getting around right there, go through the thing.
Those rocks really aren't that bad. You can do those. But they got... What the heck?
So close. We'll try that again. She was ready. We were close.
That was close. You would have gotten to reverse just a little quick.
Just a tad sooner.
As soon as it started dropping down, you would have...
Yep.
I'll walk you through the whole thing. I can give you as much spotting as you want, but it's really bumpy. It doesn't look that way because of the vegetation, but they're Jersey barriers like this and this and this. And
okay.
Your wheels, depending on your wheelbase, like the Gladiator that just went, it's hitting holes that you won't, won't even think about. Yours, you're going to hit a couple
on
places.
And off of everything.
Yeah. And you have lockers.
I do not.
No, that's perfectly fine. I always tell people to turn them off. Because how do you
jars everything?
No, how do you learn your Jeep? And
then
when you get stuck, flip them on and like, wow, that's what that does.
Then you can go.
Yeah. So first ledge here, I try to get this tire to the left as much as possible and just straight on.
Okay.
All right. And just because about 5 Jeeps ago, that's passenger, this is driver. I'm like, passenger, and he keeps coming towards me. I'm like, passenger. Dyslexic, but I didn't know that worked.
Well, then you get a guy with a male Jeep. And
passenger zone, yeah. Yeah. There was one last year. Something digging right here that's not a Jeep.
Yeah, that's yeah. Somebody's making a home there.
They just built a home. They're trying to figure out how to get that down. All right, you're gonna start getting bouncy now. The holes get a little deeper. Just one on your front driver, so you drive right into it.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. So it's amazing to see the different era Jeeps and how much smoother the newer one's suspension is.
Oh yeah. This one's stupid.
Short arms. I love the short arms.
I'll let that with a little more vigor. There we go.
How much air do you got in the tires?
They're still got pretty much.
Yeah. I've had
with their 10 ply, so when you air them down, they're still tall.
Alright, so on this, it's going to drop on the front, and then you're going to just climb over some rocks. Just be fine.
It should. I got the gas tank and everything lifted on it.
It's good. It's great.
Thank you, sir.
Five.
Okay.
You got one sticking up in the center.